I've done research from last 15 days. I have research. See, whenever I prepare a topic, I like to research. I have done research. I have empirical data for you. I'll show you practical. So don't go into guilt mode. My goal is not to take you in guilt mode. My goal is to take you out of guilt mode so that you can work on it. Is it a fair deal? So none of you have to go into guilt mode. Goal is not to take you. I don't want you to today night you get into a guilt mode and I am a loser. No, you are not a loser. You are ignorant. And my goal is to increase your awareness so that you can make it better. So it means 75% people lose their steam by the time second month is over. And if the remaining, if you see, they are, last very few, 60% people only persisted despite all odds. What is the good news? That's it means Pareto principle is correct, right? The Pareto, I do not know, and I'm sure you also do not know. He always say 20 rule. See, exactly whichever poll you do, only 16% people could persist it. So no problem. Now, why they don't persist? Let me start with a very basic theme, why it happens. So understand in our mind what happens that all of them might have heard left brain, right brain, some say emotional brain, logical brain, some say conscious mind, subconscious mind. The terms are huge. It's like they all confuse each other, right? Because everybody has their own patent, right? So they all use, actual term is same. So I use a simple term, that is the emotional mind and the logical mind. So what happens typically is, all of us see some inspirational movie. I'll tell you how your decisions are made. You get inspired by somebody. Either you get inspired by a movie, if you're just college student or just passed out from college, you mostly get influenced by some inspirational movies. And you start seeing yourself as a movie star. Or if you are inspired by a certain character, let's say some of your relative circle, some of your friend circle, you're inspired by them, then what do? You set a goal around them. So who is making that goal, by the way? I'll tell you what happens. Understand science. There's an emotional mind and there's a logical mind. Emotional mind get attracted. Yeah, I want something like that because that has energy. So you take a decision, and the decision who is taking? A logical mind is taking a decision. Then where the problem begins? Problem begins by the time that morning comes. Why most of us even let go in the 1 week? By the time morning comes, problem is our old habits are still the same. We want to accomplish new goal, but habits are still the same.